Hello everyone, thank you for joining my official YouTube channel of Analyst. As per my TikTok, I'm gonna stick right to the point and give you the content that you always wanted in much more details on YouTube. So let's go ahead and without wasting our time, let's talk about how to copy file names from folders to Excel. As an example, I have a folder right here. This is the folder that I have. You may have many folders. You may have 100 folders or 1,000 folders. But for the sake of just explanation, I have the names of these folders and I want to copy these names and put it on Excel spreadsheet. So for example, if I do it manually, I have to right click it, rename it, copy it, and then come to Excel and then paste it. So this is not an efficient way of doing it because it takes so much time. In order to have Excel do the job for you, I'm going to show you how it can be done. So you open CMD, which is command prompt. When you open command prompt, you will be in your native folder, which is your primary folder. My primary folder is C, but you have to make sure where this folder is located. This is located in my folder D under the main folder, which is called as Montclair. So I want to reach out to this point using CMD. How do I do that? So first of all, you have to just come here and type in change drive and type videos. So now you are in videos. Why we do this step? Because we want to make sure that we can go from drive C to drive D in the most shortest way. So when you do this, you are in videos, and again, now you have to just type in D and colon. That's it. So you could see that you are in folder D now. So you want to see to my folder which is Montclair. So what you need to do is you come down again and type in change drive and type in Montclair. It doesn't matter if M is in caps lock, upper letters or lower letters. It should be the same spelling. So when you do that and hit enter, you are inside the Montclair folder now. So when you're inside the Montclair folder, you want to see what are the files available. So these are the folders available right now. So I want to copy all these folders. One easy way is to select this all together and copy it and paste it. But this and enter this greater sign, greater than sign, and then type in the name of the text file that you're going to create. It could be anything. Let me just type in like analyze this.txt. I'm sorry. So when you type in there, you see that it's going to create under Montclair a file name analyze this.txt. When you write this and hit enter, nothing happens. But when you go to folder of Montclair, you will see that there will be another file coming up here. So you just hit the refresh button. So when I hit enter and go back here, so the problem was that I wasn't putting colon here. So you need to put colon in the end. When you put colon in the end and hit enter, it will create the file. So you come back and it shows you that this file is created just now. So when you open this file, you'll be able to see that this text file is being created with all the folder names. So now it will be fairly easy to transform all this information. So you don't have to copy these first two rows, ignore this, select these ones, and until here, just copy it, come to your Excel spreadsheet and paste here. So you'll see that this is all present in column A. So we can easily use text to column option by going to data and then click text to columns. So when you hit this, you will see that you have to select fixed width. Hit next. It will automatically tell you how it's going to be separated. So if you want to separate even the numbers, you can bring in one new arrow here, but and if you don't want it, just take it away and hit next and finish. So you see all these folders are folder names are being created now. You can get rid of this, you can delete it if you want. So here you have the folder name. So for sake of example, I had less number of folders, but you may have larger number of folders, maybe 100 folders or 1000 folders. So it will be very easy and convenient for you to bring this information from your folders to Excel. So for more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please let your friends also know about this, since I'm going to be creating a lot of videos on YouTube in the upcoming days. Thank you so much for being part of Analyze This family.